You write that in every crisis, there's an opportunity. What do you mean? In fact, the first sentence of Why Puerto Rico Now, in every crisis, there's an opportunity. And I firmly believe that when times are the hardest, when things are the darkest, it really is about looking and finding the bright, the positive solutions to things. And in Puerto Rico, during obviously the 15 years of economic depression, things were really hard. A lot of families lost millions of dollars. A lot of people were forced to flee. About 500,000 people emigrated to the United States. And it was really a challenging time for the island. Real estate values plummeted. People lost their homes, their business empires. And so that only even got worse with COVID. COVID came on the top of the crisis and everything got shut down. But then again, in every crisis, you see that with resiliency and with a positive attitude, great things can happen. And we saw that with manufacturing. Manufacturing looked like it had disappeared after the elimination of Section 936 when that was eliminated, and our manufacturing looked like it was going away, going to Mexico, going to Ireland, going to China, and that Puerto Rico would lose its most important industry. However, with the COVID pandemic, I think we've realized, both the United States and the world, that we have to reshore our critical supplies and that we have to make certain things at home. And fortunately for Puerto Rico does it better. Puerto Rico's economy, about 48% of its employees work in manufacturing. Puerto Rico exports $15.2 billion in biopharma, which makes the island the third largest pharma manufacturer in the world. The good news for Puerto Rico from this COVID crisis is we're going to see manufacturing come back to the United States, and Puerto Rico competing on its own without any tax incentives will be a lion's share of the winner of that new manufacturing that comes back. Puerto Rico, however, is moving forward, and the time is unquestionably